What's up guys, Michael here, coming to you with another video. In this one we're gonna be comparing the sound level coming from the Air 3 Pro and Air 2S. We're gonna be checking out which one is a little bit louder while flying. You will also hear the sound from the microphone. We'll also have a sound meter, so we'll be able to get the decibels out of the drone. Let's get started. First one I'm gonna run right now is the Mini 3 Pro. So let's get started. Okay, that was very close. So now I'm hovering the amount of decibels. Yeah, around 75 decibels, okay? It's not that loud, honestly. It's around 72, 74 decibels, that was roughly based on that sound meter. So let's switch and turn on Air 2S. That's around 83 decibels. Definitely much louder. There's much more air coming from the propellers. And I feel like I have to start screaming to say something. The Air 2S came out around 82 to 84 decibels versus 72, 74 decibels on the Mini 3 Pro, and you could hear the difference. Yeah, I had to be much louder when flying the Air 2S versus Mini 3 Pro. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.